Life in the street is rough, but you have to make it.
Hey guys, well, let's see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in the heart of the city. I'm in downtown Montego Bay. I run into a nice lady, Ms Norma. She's a higgler. You know, I thought I need to just have a little talk with her to find out what is life like being a higgler in the heart of the city. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos like these, what I call the real Jamaicans, and I don't want you to miss any of that. Alright? So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's have a talk with Ms Norma. Alright guys, so I'm in the heart of the city and I'm with Ms Norma, the higgler. Ms Norma, how you do?
Move on, yes, me talk to the man. Let go, yes, sir.
How you get this a genius?
How you do, Ms Norma?
I'm fine.
Good. How is life in the street?
Life in the street is rough, but you have to make it.
Yeah, man. So what do you do? What do you sell here?
I sell tomatoes, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, ginger, carrot, Irish potato, pepper, and okra for the man them.
And couple of what?
Okra for the man them back.
Oh, all right. And how is it going?
Boy, go and find sometime it up, sometime it down.
All right. So you get a sale right now? Oh, you get a sale. Oh, it's not really a
You
sale.
want one bag? You want one bag?
Yes, man. Yeah, man. So how long you in the street here, Miss Norma?
I'm doing 5 years.
You're new, man. You're new to the thing, man. Huh?
Probably around 7 years, midnight.
7 years. And I want to find out from you. Life in the street can be rough, though. Not true.
Rough, bad.
What is some of your? I mean, what is one of the worst things that happen here while you're here? Or your worst moment in the street?
Thief. Man, them take away my bag of onion and run gone with it.
What do you mean? What do you mean a bag? You mean 2 pounds?
1 focus bag of onion.
Really?
You put it right here and go pee and then gone. When we come out, then gone.
How much pound of onion was that?
You know how much 1 bag of onion is?
How much pound? How much?
How much more 50 pounds, not true?
50 pounds? Yeah, about 50 pounds, yeah. Oh, you never wait like that? Man, so how you recover from that?
I feel bad like I would have eat that man to death.
Huh?
I feel bad about it. I have to pay for it.
And you still have to pay for it? Yeah, which brings me to the next point. Where you get your stuff then? Because I see onion, I see scallion.
Market at trust it.
Huh?
Market.
Oh, you get it from the market? Okay. And you buy them like wholesale and
No,
stuff?
me trust them,
You trust them? So people trust you and you have the regular
Yes,
supplier, man?
Yeah, me trust them then.
Oh. But you're not supposed to pass the trust stage now, man. You're a long time you do this.
No, me have no money.
Alright, well, you know the online world will see you. It's seeing you. Is there anything you want to tell them on there? I mean, in terms of, is there any way people can support you if they want to?
Yeah. Right now I need a good salary because you will them no good. You want a little salary like you will them no good.
How often you come out here though?
Come on the Sunday, me go to church Sunday. Come Monday till Saturday and Sunday me go to church. I am a revival.
So you're here every day?
Yes.
Every day? Well, from what time to what time?
I come out here sometime 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
Okay.
11 o'clock.
Are you there till?
As them say, we lock up around 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Okay. So anybody who want to find you, they can find you here.
Right here.
No, tell them where, man. At
NCB corner. At NCB corner. The old NCB corner.
The old NCB corner. Yeah, because the NCB not there anymore.
Monday. And this plaza.
Alright guys, so you can see juicy beef in the background there. Juicy patties. She's right at the intersection here. And your name again is Norma.
Ms Norma.
Yeah, so when you sell here, it helps you, I mean, you manage?
Me sell, me pay them.
Then?
And then when I sell, I pay them and then give me more good.
Yeah, but it help you to take care of yourself and
Yes.
what you need and stuff.
Yes.
Okay, okay. You want to leave maybe like a number if somebody want to reach out to you, if they want to help you?
596-8204.
Okay. 876.
No, 596-8204.
Okay, alright guys, so that's Ms Norma Higgler in the street trying to make ends meet here in the heart of the city, Montego Bay. She's selling all kind of little stuff. She sell her onion, she sell her sweet pepper, what is that now? Tomato, garlic, ginger, and the ginger here,
Yes.
okra, what else you have there? Scallion and thyme, and over here you have your Irish potato. And hold on man, I will show them when I back. We have another box there.
Pepper, wrap out pepper.
Alright, you wrap up. Oh, you wrap it out and sell it in smaller portion.
Yes.
Oh, nice. If you want to support, there's a number. It's in the description below. You can link her to contact her for any support you want to give to her. But that's Ms Lorna from Montego Bay, Jamaica.
It's Norma.
Ms Norma. Alright, cool. You know, one thing, Ms Norma, I want to find out from you. Because you kind of look, you know, young, but you're not really old. To me, you kind of look in between. But I think you live long enough to share some wisdom, some advice. And I always try to find out from older person. Get some what they call golden nuggets from them, you know? What would you say in life for a young person if you want to, if you have to encourage somebody right now, a young person, what would you tell them?
I encourage plenty of them.
Huh?
Sometimes I say to them, say, when last you blend little juice, they say they couldn't tell.
Yeah.
And I said, no man, get the carrot,
Yeah.
the almond lasco, the papaya, and blend the juice and put little vanilla, little nutmeg, and you little blue soap, and spice up yourself, man.
Yeah.
Yes, I always encourage them. I tell them, say, when period time, and if they have pain also, they say yes. I say boil the scallion when near to the period time. I say boil the scallion and drink. That means when the period time and the pain I'm going to take you because I say boy, you drink the scallion so when the period come you just freely come with no pain.
So what do you do? Boil it and drink it?
Yes.
Really? It works?
Yes, but yes, anytime girl have period pain. Because some girl have bad period belly hot, you know. You boil the scallion, you beat the scallion and you boil it. Until you see the period time, you see one little sign, you just boil it and drink it.
Yeah.
The period just come normal, no pain, and drink no ice.
Okay.
So they like talk with me, because I encourage them a lot.
So that is, so when you tell them that though, I mean, okay, so basically you tell them stuff about them health.
Yes, and tell them what they must drink and so on.
Alright.
And when the period finish, then we blend the beetroot with the egg white and the honey and the glucose replace back the blood in the body. I encourage them a lot, man. I encourage them, man.
Alright. Good man. Thank you, buddy. Norma, there's one question that I ask most of my interviewees. You see? The question is, in your mind, what makes Jamaica special?
We have a lot of fruits. And lot of fruits and
why do you think tourists love here so much?
because they can get the sunlight, the nice sunlight and the beach.
Nice sunlight on the beach. Okay. That is what you think makes Jamaica special?
Yes, ma'am. And a lot of fruits, different type of fruits.
Like what?
Mangoes, ripe bananas, apples.
Man, because you sell them something now. Because you sell them something.
No, I don't sell them.
You don't sell them?
Leesberry and those things.
Okay. That is what makes Jamaica special.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, well, all the best with your higglering. All the best. I wish you well, man. I hope you get all the sales and the business grow from strength to strength, you know?
Yes.
One love.
Yes, one love.
Alright.
Blessing.
Alright. Alright, guys, so that's Ms Norma. What do you make of it? Interesting story. I'd love to hear from you. Share a comment down below, man. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. This is indeed the real Jamaica.